At that time, all the wardrobes were measured by sensors. We will quickly deliver news about the Thailand-Cambodia conflict. Thailand has announced that it will close all diplomatic channels with Cambodia. It has also declared that all peace negotiations previously held with Cambodia are now void. Thai ground forces, including M113 armored vehicles and troops, are crossing into Cambodia's Phum Phol and Incheon areas in large numbers. No Cambodian troops are defending the Sisaket region yet. Thai M48 tanks are entering Cambodia. The Thai military shot down a Cambodian drone using M16A4 rifles. This footage is from a Royal Thai Army VT-4 main battle tank crew member's perspective. This footage shows an attack on Cambodian targets. The Federation of Thai Industries announced that 99.5% of border trade was destroyed by clashes between Thailand and Cambodia. According to Thailand, he held an emergency meeting with 7 governors, urging quick budget allocation for essentials and hospital readiness for casualties. He ordered medical staff to prepare for rapid treatment of the injured, set up prefabricated facilities, and deploy medical units for swift care. That concludes the video. Thank you.